Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Doing an oil change.
Another oil change. Man, we racked miles on cars real quick. Hey, you know, what else you doing today? What do you got going on?
I'm doing my Pontiac, but I wanted to do the oil change first. I'm going to do that inner rocker structure because it's all rotted out, of course.
Well, I think I got your oil filter.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hold on. I always make this mistake. Hold on.
Alright, well, here you go. Come on, let's go. Let me see how fast you can change the soil.
Always open this before you start draining.
1, 2, 3.
I'm going to get vacuum and then make a mess.
You draining?
Yep. Give me the oil filter tool.
Right next to you.
Oh.
Like a tripod.
The pot of the
Come on, like a pit stop. But instead of wheels, oil.
Give me another rag.
What's wrong with this one?
Wet. Always put oil on the seal.
Here. Here we go. Clean protects up to 12,000 miles, which you never want to leave 12,000 miles worth of an oil change in your car. You pull out roof cement. Right on the money. All right, so what do you got?
All right, you got this.
Oh, these are for the
inner rocker structure.
You're gonna cut them and shape them out. Put them on the floor right here. Here, these will work. What the heck is? What's all these pipes all over the place?
Well, got something planned for the Christmas holidays.
Really? This
yeah.
Christmas holiday. You're gonna let us know about the pipes
Yeah, of course.
as we move forward.
I'll show you what that metal was in the car. I will show you what that's for.
What the f are you gonna do with this?
We'll see.
All right. Anyway.
Come here, I'll show you what that metal's for in the car.
Yeah.
So that is 3 inch by 1 inch. See this rod? All that
Oh yeah.
has to be replaced. It goes from here all the way.
Oh my God.
All the way.
Goes
it
all the way to the front.
curves
This thing's such a
up
piece
in the
of
front. Guess what? It's rotted in the front too. See, people have been commenting on the last video about this car. They said, "Man, Pops really doesn't like that car," but he does.
I don't. It needs too much work. Anyway, so look.
No, but it was
So
a
the
good
idea
deal.
is that you're gonna drill these out.
Drill those out.
All
yeah.
right, spot welds. You're gonna cut the piece out from front to back and clean it up. Beautiful. You're gonna put the new piece in. You're gonna weld everything in, right? You're gonna cut all these holes back in and just
Yep.
get the f out of there. You're gonna beat the snot out of this car.
Now,
Who cares?
after I do this rot mess, this section that goes all the way to the front,
This rot
Remove-
mess, or are you talking about just this one piece?
how is this rot to you? That's surface rust.
Piece of shit.
No, it's not. After I fix this piece, most of the rot on this side is fixed.
Mm-hmm.
I can put the quarter that
I'm
I
afraid to
fabricated.
fart in this car the way it is right now. It'll break in half. Piece of shit.
You don't see it as, alright, let's do this thing. You see it as,
You know how much of this shit I did
Piece
through
of
the years? You know how much of this I did? I'm done with it.
do it again.
You do it again, not me.
I don't know why. You get indigestion. Who's doing this? Me or you?
Then let's go. Let's get busy. Let's get busy. Come on, let's go.
Do it.
There you go. It's all.
So this is the piece I made. Alright, so let's just say they make this piece, which they don't. This is actually stronger because this has a back to it.
It's double-sided, huh?
It's double-sided.
And you got it so it slides in the front, right?
Slides in the front. I flared the ends this way I can weld it. I'm professional like. So this goes in like this.
What'd you do on this side?
On this side,
I took a piece
I
out.
put like a notch.
So it fits in the
So
front.
right, exactly. So this over here is I'm gonna bend it up so it follows the cowl basically.
Up and in?
Up and in, basically, yeah.
And you're gonna fill this in, right? You're gonna weld
Yeah,
something
the
in.
piece that I took out of here, I'm gonna put it back in after this is in.
Good. Oh, look at that. You drilled out the spot.
Yes.
Big boy.
Professional. It's already drilled so I'm gonna drill
like
holes
that.
back into
And what about
here.
all this shit?
If I start replacing this and I cut this piece off, right now this piece is holding the car square, I guess you can call it.
Yeah,
It's
sure.
not flexing.
Right.
So after I weld this in, then this is gonna hold the car square, and then I can cut this out when I do the floors. I'll show you.
All right, show me how this piece is gonna go on.
This is gonna go in here, just like that. Then this slides up into where the spot welds were,
Oh, okay.
and it goes
Oh, look at
perfect.
that. And it follows the
Just
part
like that.
all the way throughout.
Yep.
And you're gonna weld it up here.
And I'm gonna weld it up here, down here, across all here.
Yeah, because if I'm not wrong, this piece actually holds the top of your rocker
Yes.
sill on.
Yeah.
All the weight when you get it,
Right.
let's say you step on it, is on this edge.
Right. Exactly.
Cool, bro.
So,
And then in the front, you'll do your thing.
in the front, you got, once it's welded and
So you just removed the rest of the rocker.
Right.
That's what that was.
right. See all the spot welds?
Okay.
Okay. Now I gotta put them all back.
Right.
You know.
Okay. Sounds good. Let's do it.
Aggressive, hard.
Taking over the world.
One piece of metal at a time.
There he is.